Hello there guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to turn text to ice effect using Adobe Firefly and Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using type tool, using transformation command, changing of font style, exporting of image, opening Adobe Firefly, and generating image. So let's get started. So here in our document, I prepare here a landscape file size. And the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create the text layer. So to do that, going on to the toolbar, let's go and find the type tool. It shows this icon. Now press T for the shortcut key. Then let's apply it on our canvas. So just click it on somewhere you want it to be. All right, there you go. Then let's type the font here as frozen. Okay, let's rescale this layer. So click on the frozen layer or the text layer. Press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. Now once the transformation is out, now let's drag this one out to increase the size, putting it in the middle of our screen. There we are. Well, I'm satisfied with this position and the scale of it. Now, double click on that thumbnail layer of the frozen layer. Then I'm going to set the color to black. Also, for the font style, just go here at the characters, click this one. I'm gonna choose on the copper plate Gothic bold regular, all right? So, or you can choose any font style that you will be satisfied with. All right, but I'm good with this. There are. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Now, once you're good with it, now let's export this image. So, going on to the menu bar, go to File, then choose on Export. And then we're going to choose on Export As. All right, so once I click that, this window will appear. All right, so for the format, I'm going to set this one to JPG. There you go. All right, so once all set, click on export. Now, so let's save this file to the folder where you want it to be. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna type the word here as frozen text. Okay. All right, then click on, all right, frozen text. Right, and make sure that I'm going to click on the download because that's the file document that I want it to be saved. Then click on save. There you are. All right. So it's already saved. So now let's open a window browser. All right. Then let's go to Firefly. Okay. So you can just type it on the search web firefly.adobe.com. All right. And make sure that you have a subscription to Adobe. Then on this page, let's click here. Let's generate here a effect that we want it to be on the text later on. So I want to type here as crystal ice. All right. Then I'm going to click on generate. So in this moment, Firefly already provided me this kind of images, but I'm not yet satisfied with this for the reason this one doesn't look realistic. Okay, so to make this one look realistic, so under the prompt, I'm still going to type here crystallize. Then under the content type on this part, on this area, I'm gonna click on photo. All right. Then I'm gonna drag this one, my cursor down, and then choose on hyper realistic. Okay. All right. So that's it. So here's the prompt: crystal ice and photo and hyper realistic is that will be applied it. Okay. All right. Now click on generate now. So this is the kind of image that what I'm expecting. All right. This first image. I'm satisfied with this. I'm gonna bring the mouse cursor to it, then click on the pen icon over here. Once I click that, I'm gonna click on use as style reference. So this image will be used as style reference. Click on that. All right, so it's already here. Now I'm just going to drag the cursor up here. All right. Okay. Then the next step here is we're going to generate another image, and that will be for the frozen text. Okay. Then for the aspect ratio, I'm gonna set this one to widescreen. All right. The content type still to photo. All right, and this part, I'm going to click this thumbnail over here. For the composition, I'm gonna click on what we have saved, the frozen text. This one, click this one, then hit open. All right, so let's just click on continue. All right, so it's already there. For the strength, I'm going to increase this one to the full amount. Okay, all right, then let's go down. All right, then I'm gonna choose on hyper realistic. And then lastly, let's go to the prompt and let's change this one. Now I'm gonna type here as frozen text. Then I'm also gonna type here with snowflakes falling on Antarctica. Put a comma and then strong shadow. All right, so that's it. That's the prompt that I'm gonna type down. Frozen text with snowflakes falling on Antarctica with strong shadow. All right, so it also says here that the style reference is this image, composition reference is this text, set it to photo, hyper realistic. Once all said and done, click on generate. Once done generating, here you go. All right. Well, look at this. So these are the four variations that is provided by Adobe Firefly, and all of it looks amazing. All right. So in my case, I'll be choosing on this image. All right. Then make sure that you're going to click on this download. Once you put your mouse cursor on this image, just click on this icon, download. All right. And then you can now already open it from where you saved the file or where you downloaded the file. And there you have it. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to create frozen text effect using Adobe and Photoshop.